Greetings people, how's it going? Person with glasses here. Today we're gonna take a closer look at the Azure wallet. Azure, however you like to pronounce it. Right now, they are in their pre-sale as a fair launch on PinkSale over here. In case you never used PinkSale, basically you can buy projects kind of like on a launch pad, but you don't have to own any tokens in order to get in. It's a pure fair launch, so if you want to buy it, you can. Link is down below. Giant disclaimer, it's not financial advice, as you know. The project is pretty interesting. I'll walk you through on everything that they do, and if you want to, you can get some of the tokens here as they will have the Azure token. They're currently trending as #1 as well. Maybe you like it, maybe you don't. Don't take it as financial advice. Let's just go through it step by step on what they do. A revolutionary, all-in-one solution for your crypto needs, where they redefine DeFi by offering secure, versatile crypto management across multiple chains in one app. The across multiple chains is probably the most important thing from a user's point of view, because when I have to swap something from Polygon to the Binance Smart Chain, either I have to bridge, which is annoying, or I have to send it to Binance, for example, and then send it back on a different chain. It's annoying. And they will combine that with a brilliant UI, easy to navigate, the ability to connect to every D app on ETH, Cosmos, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Solana, Bitcoin and more. You can personalize the entire thing, have real-time information when it comes to the stats and analytics that are shown to you, various different features, and have all of that in the mobile app. Whether you're looking to tap into your highest earning farms and pools across multiple blockchains or simply store, swap, and secure crypto assets, Azure Wallet opens unlimited opportunities on all the different chains. What can be quite, I would say, exhausting for anybody who uses crypto for longer than a few months is once you start using MetaMask, so you get off of the main exchanges and into all the decentralized exchanges. Trying to remember every single site that you use and what you swapped into what and where you stake a token is annoying. Like at some point I checked if I still had a farm going on PancakeSwap, for example, with my main MetaMask wallet that I created 3.5 years ago, and I still had a farm, so I found like $300. But I completely forgot about that because you don't see it anywhere. But having everything all in one makes a lot more sense. The features, they got multi-pool staking available, multi-chains, real-time market data, enhanced security features, as well as a D-app marketplace. And behind that, there is the token that is again live right now on PinkSale, where you can select your preferred staking term. It grants you immediate access and discounts to approved merchants and incredible earning opportunities. So probably they increase the percentage you get for staking. Maybe you can borrow and lend against that. Once everything is out in here, I'll let you know. Tokenomics, 10% for staking rewards, 12% for marketing, 8% for the team, 15% for operations and centralized exchanges, and 25% right now available on the pre-sale over here. The soft cap is 3 ETH, which is already reached. They have another, basically a week until it's over. And you can see based on the amount of contributors, this is new. I think they started the campaign like 8.5 hours ago, basically at 7 days total. So you're very early when it comes to all of that. For the roadmap, in phase 1, they had the idea, inception and team and so on and so forth, as well as the private pre-sale happening. And phase 2, where we are in right now, we got the public pre-sale and fair launch with PinkSale. After that, the token will launch. There's initial marketing and exposure, the Google Play as well as iOS shop listing for the app, and additional D-app partnership onboardings. And then all the other words that you could read yourself, but I will read for you, are happening in phase 3. They update the wallet features, have the release of staking for the token, centralized exchange listings, as well as volume and airdrop campaigns. That being mentioned over here, there's probably a good chance that if you simply hold the token and stake it, you get a higher airdrop. They released the browser extension, expand to Solana and AVAX, have a public release of the marketplace, additional airdrops and incentives, team expansion, staking, virtual Visa MasterCard release, and if this one happens, I will 100% get one, because it's so much more convenient to simply have crypto in your wallet and pay with that at a MasterCard, and they do all the backend stuff, and you don't have to create a bank account, sell the crypto, send it to your bank account, go to an ATM, withdraw the cash, then use the cash, skip all the steps, give me that. White paper, more words in here, for the all-encompassing platform that stands out with its array of distinct functionalities. 7 complicated words for this is cool. There will be revenue sharing incentives and shopping integration for us to use crypto on everyday purchases. I would like that. If they actually make it happen, good job. I already love all of you. The goal is to create an intuitive, secure and innovative ecosystem that not only offers essential DeFi functionalities like swapping and staking, but also integrates seamlessly with extensions, promotes security, encourages community participation through revenue sharing, and bridges the gap between crypto and traditional commerce for a more practical and inclusive financial experience. That is a long sentence. Imagine you learn English for the first time and you're unsure about the grammar. It would be difficult. But why should you have the token, right? Why should you hold it? Revenue sharing is number one. I would assume as long as you have it in your wallet and the revenue sharing is set in place, you will earn some just with that, staking rewards as well. And then a couple other things that you could care about, but if we're all honest, we care about the whole staking part and the revenue sharing so we make more money. There's some utility within the ecosystem as well as governance and decision making if you want to vote, as well as some additional benefits behind it. Within the app, they have a native multi-chain swap, which is math-free, convenience and efficiency, securely store, swap and send over 4,000 assets across multiple blockchains. I would like that quite a lot. The virtual Visa and MasterCard coming soon, looking forward to that. Discounts on top level brands, unlock exclusive discounts with approved Azure vendors, whole lots of chains available, and so on and so forth under the staking tab. We don't have a percentage yet on how much we can earn, but we'll find out once everything launches in here. And the revenue sharing is quite interesting, and the token will power the ecosystem and reward holders with these revenue streams, reward staking incentives, and buyback and burn mechanisms. For that, we have the native swap fees, exchange affiliate partners, the partnership listings, and the marketplace that will launch soon. And that is going to be released in Q1. So right after that launch over here is done, there will be some revenue sharing. Now under the meet the team, it simply says everybody's experience, yada yada, but there's no picture and no link, so who knows? And if you go into Telegram over here, you can click to verify. Start, join the group, 473 people in there so far, in which the PinkSale buy bot simply spams the exact same GIF on how much people have spent so far in the fair launch. The FAQ in the white paper is the exact same as down here if you click on FAQ, but that is all basic things that probably all of you guys know when it comes to crypto. Now lastly, let's say you want to buy some, how does it work? Let me show you. For PinkSale in general, in case you never used the site, there are a whole bunch of different coins that launch on this launch pad. But think of this as in, we want to have a fair launch and we need a launch pad. This might be the go-to thing. Mostly for meme coins, sometimes for high quality coins. When you connect to it, let's say you use MetaMask, site is completely safe by the way. You can select any amount of ETH you want to put in. Let's say you want to put in 0.4 ETH if you really feel like it on that day. You will put it in there and then counts towards the total ETH spent on this project. Once this countdown is over, right? So after 7 days or 6 days, 14 hours, 52 minutes, in this area right here, there will be a giant button that says claim tokens. In case you claim the tokens and they don't show up, this way it says token address, copy this thing, go to MetaMask, import tokens, custom token, copy paste this. It will then load. You can see the token symbol next, and if you would have the token, it would show up in here, just in case you wonder, where the freaking heck are my tokens? Don't confuse the token address, that is the address for the token itself, with the presale address. Presale address simply means the money that is in here gets sent to the presale address, but you don't do that manually. You always connect and put that into amount. You can also always check if the presale address still holds the token by simply clicking on that, and then it opens that address in Etherscan. You can see 4.47 ETH, 4.47 ETH has been spent over here. Same thing. If you want to invite people to buy this, then on PinkSale, not for this project, but in PinkSale in general, for all the different projects that launch, they have the affiliate program down below, where you get, I think, 5% cash back, something like that. Which means if you have a couple friends that might be interested or want to buy it anyways, you can send them the link, minus down below if you want to, and then you can go get your tokens. All in all, when it comes to absolutely anything that is new and launches, giant disclaimer, can go to zero and they might just right click delete the project by tomorrow. But if they don't, then this is how you can find pretty cool projects early on. Now just because something isn't trending and is number 1, number 5, number 8, whatever, doesn't mean it has any value. From what I've seen so far, at least the direction it's heading in would make for a good project once everything launches in here. But then again, if you click on the white paper and you click on the team, you don't know who's the team. So again, giant disclaimer, only ever invest what you're willing to lose. But if you want to go get some of the tokens, again, 25% of the entire supply will be sold over here. Link is down below. If you got any questions, leave them down below or just ask in the Telegram, and I'll see you fairly soon. Until then, take care.